Students of class 3, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 1, where to look from part 4. As you know, in part 3 we learned about mirror halves, means how can we see the half picture using the mirror in complete form. So here they have asked us, based on that they have asked some questions. Look at the picture given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? So if you draw half of the picture, can you see the other half with the help of the mirror same what you have drawn? So we have to answer yes or no. So as you can see, this picture they have divided into, they have drawn dotted line here. So if you draw this much part, so you can see the other half in the mirror. Next, again if you draw this much, you can see the other half in the mirror. So both these cases are yes. Next is no. Why? Because if you divide this from here, if you draw this much part, you can see the other same in the mirror. So in third case it is not possible. In the fourth case again it is no. Why? Because if you divide this into like this, if you draw this much part, you can see this much part in the mirror, so it is not possible. Again, third, fourth, fifth one, here if you draw this much part, you can see the other half in the mirror. So again this is yes. Tree, this is not possible because if you draw this, if you are dividing with this dotted line, so you can see the same in the mirror. So again here it is not possible. B, yes it is possible. T also it is possible. This is not possible because if you divide with the dotted line, you can see same in the mirror. Next, this is also not possible because if you divide this with the dotted line, you can see same in the mirror. So it is no. Heart is possible. Again M is possible. This one is also possible. This is again yet possible, but this is not possible. Why? Because if you draw the diamond shape, you can see the bigger diamond shape again in the mirror. So this is not possible. This picture is also not possible because you will see the same in the mirror. So here you understood that what are mirror halves. Now they have given one, they have asked us to do something, give some more examples. So here you can give any of the examples, whichever pictures you can divide into two similar halves. It is not compulsory that this 4 will come. You can draw any of the alphabets also, like if you draw H, if you draw like this, so you can divide H also in the two mirror halves. So it is up to you which pictures you want to draw, but at least do the practice at home so that you will understand this in better way. Now next heading is, using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? Now we have to draw dotted lines and divide all the pictures into two similar halves. Now this comb is there, so you have to divide like this vertically, because horizontally this is not possible. So you will only be able to see the upper portion, means the holding part of the comb, but that what brush is there you will not be able to see in the mirror. So we can divide like this. Again this envelope we have to divide vertically, so it will be into similar halves. 8 we can divide like this or this, vertically or horizontally, both are right. In scissor you have to draw vertically, so this will be similar halves. Again button you can draw both horizontally and vertically, both are possible. This teapot, it is not possible if you draw a vertical line, so you can just see this handle on one side and holding part will not be possible. Next is pencil also you can divide into two similar halves. Cup is not possible. You can see, if you see this and these are not same. Next one, crown you can divide vertically. This frock you can divide vertically. Bell you can divide vertically. This is not possible if you divide like this. So you can see this black portion it will not be similar in this part. Aeroplane you can divide vertically. This is again not possible. Why? Because this is bigger one and this is smaller, so it will not look the same in similar halves. 2 is again not possible. Spectacles are possible, means goggles you can say, only vertically. Again this bag is possible with the vertical dotted line. This is not possible. Again this umbrella is not possible because the holding part here it is there and here there is no holding part, so this is not similar. And this is clock. Now clock, if it would be only circle, so it is possible it to divide vertically or horizontally, but this is a clock. If you divide it, so this numbers cannot be seen here, so in this case it is not possible. So let us go ahead. Now here they have asked us, can you guess these letters from their halves. Now as you know, we have learned ABCD from our childhood when we were in pre-primary and before that also, so it is very easier for us to recognize. If you write a and you write fold this one, so this will be, if you complete the picture, this will be A, next one will be C, then it will be H, U, B and K. This I have done for you people. It is not compulsory that you have to write like this, but at least you have to recognize and write the answer here, because the answers are A, C, H, U, B and K. Next is, using such letters we can also make words which have similar halves. Now you can use the letters and make the words also out of it. So we have to guess the words by looking the halves. As you can see here, they have given some half of the words and we have to complete it. So here if you complete it you will get how, and the next if you complete you will get wax. Same way, if you complete this one you will get cooked, and if you complete this one you will get rice. So students, please do this exercise at home, so it will be more clear and you can understand it properly. Now next page, it is making a mask. Making a mask is very easy. They have given here the instructions. You can, first of all you have to fold it along with the middle. Take a paper and fold it from the middle. Next is, on one side draw the figure. You have to draw figure on the one side, means half of the figure. Again you can cut that paper with a pair of scissors here as they have shown you. Next is, then after cutting you have to open the fold and you have to draw whatever eyes and nose etc is remaining. Then you have to color this and tie a rubber band on the back of the mask. So for this you don't have to go anywhere, you can do this at home also because you have papers and everything at home. So this exercise is a fun. You can make more such masks by taking the help of the following. Now like this, what we have here, the cat, they have given how to make the cat. Like that you can make a mask of a girl, elephant and other animals. So here we complete our part 4 and hope you understand what I taught today. Thank you students.